Hello everyone. So as I had earlier promised you, I'll show you how you can install Microsoft Office in your laptop. So Office Suite, when you want to install it, you make sure that you have a USB drive which has the ISO. As you can see mine here, I do have the Microsoft ISO. Let me show you this one. Here you can see this Office 2024. So when you want to install, you have to make sure that you turn off this. You come here, Windows Security. So you go to the Windows Security, you come here, then you go to Manage Setting, you can see. Then you go to Real-Time Protection. You make sure that you've switched on the real-time, and here you just say yes, enter. See, now here, as you can see, I've turned off the real-time protection is off, leaving your device vulnerable, meaning that the reason as to why you are turning this one off is to make sure that when you are doing your installation, the Windows Defender doesn't detect it as a virus. So when installing Windows, Office Suite, you make sure you are connected to the net. This is Office Suite 2019 to 2024. So here you come here, then wait, then you say yes, and you can see here preparing for installation. Now here is the thing, you can select here 2013, 2016, 2019, so depending with the one you want. As for me, I'll do with Pro Plus 2024 volume, because I need to be at least up to date. Then if your laptop here is 64, you click 64, you check the circle here. If it's 84, you check this box, then you click install Office. Give it some time for the installation, and here you'll have to be patient. Yeah, you can see, please stay online while your apps download. So you need to, that's why I told you need to be connected, so you just be patient. Yes, now the installation is complete. Here you can see the indication you are all set. Close. Let's try with most of people like trying with Word, but for me, I'll go with Excel. Microsoft Excel for spreadsheet. Now we can check here if it's activated. Close. Account. Product activated. This one automatically activates itself due to the network. You see the product activation, the product comes from online, so product activated, it automatically activates. Upgrades are automatically downloaded and installed, so you're all set. Here you can see, here also you cannot see product activated. So thank you guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe into my YouTube channel for more updates. I'll be showing you how to activate the Office, the Windows 11. Thank you.